Forget everything you thought you knew about FPV. Forget the clunky setup. Forget the compromises. What you're about to hear is the biggest, most disruptive rumor in drone history. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a reinvention. For the next 30 minutes, you are locked into the definitive deep dive on the DJI Avata 3. And trust me, you are going to want to hear every single word, because the leaks we've uncovered changed the game forever. The Avata 2 legacy and the need for the 3. Let's be honest. The Avata 2 was good. But good isn't enough for DJI. They listen, they iterate, and they dominate. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Avata 2 left a few major gaps: range, low light performance, and perhaps most importantly, true cinematic stability. Rumor mill intel suggests the Avata 3 addresses these complaints, not just with tweaks, but with a complete overhaul of the imaging pipeline and flight control system. We're talking about a drone that blurs the line between a cinematic FPV rig and an effortless cinematic tool. This is where the story truly begins. The core specs, leaks you can't ignore. Let's get into the guts of it. What are the confirmed, or highly credible, leaks? The camera. The single biggest leak points to a new, larger 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. Think of the low-light magic of the Mini 4 Pro, but on a more powerful, cinewhoop platform. This means 4K at 120 frames per second, a game-changer for silky slow-motion dives. But here's the kicker. The whisper is 10-bit D-Log M color. Professionals, you know what that means: unprecedented color grading flexibility for a drone of this class. If this is true, the Avata 3 is about to crash the party for high-end cinematic FPV pilots. The battery and flight time. The Avata series has always been hampered by short flight times. The latest rumor suggests a radical shift to a high-density, larger-capacity intelligent flight battery. We are speculating on a realistic flight time pushing 30 minutes. Can you imagine a true 30-minute FPV flight? No more rushing the shot. That alone is worth the price of admission. 04 Plus transmission. We were blown away by 04. Now, sources hint at 04 Plus. This isn't just about longer range. It's about bulletproof, high-definition feed stability in dense urban environments. We're talking true 1080p, 120 frames per second low-latency feed that refuses to drop. For the pilot, this means confidence. For the viewer, it means butter-smooth footage. The design and form factor revelation. The Avata 1 and 2 looked bulky. The leak on the Avata 3 is an entirely new, aerodynamic, and surprisingly sleek design. It retains the duct propeller guards, essential for safety and indoor flight, but the whole body is rumored to be lighter, using a new composite material. The weight. The holy grail for any drone is flying under the 250-gram weight limit in premium markets. The rumors are conflicting, but the loudest whisper is that DJI has an international version designed to skim that line, potentially offering regulatory relief for a much wider audience. If they pull that off, it's not a drone, it's a global phenomenon. Propeller guards.